What's up, guys? Today we're gonna install the worn winch. It's gonna go up. So we're gonna be installing on my Jeep and this other one and this bad boy too. Alright, so this is what we have. Remote control. Got all the hardware. Alright, that's all we have. Got them on mechanic tools. I'm all set. Lock it. Let's go. Alright, dudes. It's installed. That's the final product. Looks fucking nice. Hella nice. Fucking tucked wires really good inside. Fucking zip tied them like all the way to the fucking metal framing of it, all the way up to the battery. I painted the fucking bolts. Huh? You can tell when you're not a fucking painter. Fuck. Double touch up tomorrow and it should be all set for it. So I bought the, let me see. So we bought the worn, the Evil. It was 1,000. What is it? 1,000? Yeah, I think it is 1,000. Yeah, 1,000 pounds. Cooling capacity. That's the one we got. Kind of want to go with this one, but we don't even fucking use it that much. We hardly even use it at all. So we wanted something good, durable, strong too. There you go. Probably later on we're gonna end up changing the rope, probably to like some other different color. I'm thinking about getting the bolts and gearings, and thinking about what is it, tropical breeze teal, something like that, like bluish green. Probably even the front bumper. Nah, that would be too much. I will for surely paint out the doors same, and thinking about getting a fucking jack. Probably trying to get that Rhino mounted, and we'll see later on. I want to take the doors off. I want to leave it topless already. Lately, the fucking night, it's been somewhat cold, not too warm. There it is. There it is. There it is. It does look nice. Fucking nice. I like it. Dude, I really fucking like it. Alright, that's it, guys. Until next fucking Insta. You like it or no?
Yes. Now.
Fuck. Look at that. Okay, looks very nice. I have to get more paint them out. Earrings. Hopefully that one will dry up today. We'll put it up.